poem here, which I love a lot. It's about something that you see in nature in the West, in the Native American cultures and the primal people, and then we see it in the East, in the Eastern cultures. And it's about, in Japan it's called Shintoism. And it's about everything is alive and everything has a spirit and a soul. And in the native cultures, I don't know what they call it, but they believe it. So I don't know the name of it. So we wrote this poem for that. It's called Shinto, Kamisamas. It's kamis are the spirits in Shintoism in Japanese. They call them the kamis. Kamisamas living in nature's heart. Everything, everything, absolutely everything, everything is alive. Everything is alive and intelligent. Intelligent, I say. The microbes, the insects, the plants, the rocks, every grain of sand and every grain of dust, the mountains, the hills, the creeks, the streams, the rivers, the glaciers, the lakes, the oceans, the earth, the atmospheres, all the moons, all the suns, all the 100 billion stars in our Milky Way, and the 100 billions of galaxies, all alive, all together, all connected, all alive, all interconnected, to each and every one of us. They are all miracles. They are all mythic. They all hold the mysteries beyond our understanding, beyond our experience, and we are grateful and joyous to receive all the treasures from the heart of nature's heart. And so when you look at a rock, don't just think it's an inanimate thing. The rocks are alive too. They have souls and spirits in them, and they're lovely. They don't talk back much, and they're always happy to listen. But they do hear, so be careful what you say.